and today I'm going to talk about the Dead Sea. I divided my presentation into four main parts. First, I'm going to explain Dead Sea, and second, I'm going to tell you the salinity of the Dead Sea, and third, I'm going to talk about the topography of the Dead Sea, and lastly, we'll look at animals and plants that live in the Dead Sea. The Dead Sea is located between Israel and Jordan, the west bank of Palestine, where the Jordan rivers flow.
Jordan.
The lake surface is 430.5 meters below sea levels, making it short the lowest land-based elevation on Earth. It is 304 meters deep, the deepest hypersaline lake in the world. This is the Dead Sea. The salt content in the Dead Sea water is 31.5%. This is the extent that the psychological saline equal to the body fluid concentration is 0.9%. The average salt content of seawater is 3.5%. And even those who cannot float easily in the general sea are floating by buoyancy, so even those who can't swim. Calculating the density, it is approximately 1.25 grams to 5 grams, which is at least 20% heavier than normal seawater. The Dead Sea is an endorheic lake located in Jordan Rift Valley, a geographic feature formed by the Dead Sea transport. The Jordan River is only major water source flowing in the Dead Sea, although there are small mineral springs under and around the Dead Sea, forming pools and quicksand pits along the edges. This is the Dead Sea, and the endorheic lake means Nehev. This sea is called that because its high salinity prevents microscopic aquatic organisms. Microscopic aquatic organisms such as fish and aquatic plants from living it. The minuscule quantities of bacteria and microbial fungi are present. Nevertheless, life is a way to find a way, so some persistent microorganisms adapt to this harsh environment. And there are also unique flies that feed on these microorganisms. Now I'm going to show the video about Dead Sea. What's happening to the Dead Sea?
I'm floating on the Dead Sea, but according to experts, by 2050, it will disappear.
Really?
The Dead Sea is a body of water that lies between Israel and Jordan. It is a significant place to Jews, Christians, and Muslims alike.
One of the oldest known manuscripts of the Hebrew Bible, the Dead Sea Scrolls, were found in one of the caves here in the region. This place is one of the most amazing places on Earth. It is the lowest dry point on Earth. It is one of the saltiest bodies of water in the world. And actually, because of the high concentration of salt in the water, you cannot drown. You will always float no matter what is your body weight. This is how it works. So everything seems so special, peaceful, and quiet here in this ancient salty lake. But here's the other side of the coin. The Dead Sea is dying rapidly.
So here you can see that the Dead Sea used to be here. The water used to be here.
Every year, it is retreating by more than 3 feet. every year. This retreatment is causing an environmental catastrophe. There are over 6,000 sinkholes caused by the receding water. These sinkholes swallow up buildings and roads, turning beautiful tourism shores into unstable danger zones. Every year, the Dead Sea is getting farther from these beautiful hotels that need to chase after it. At least 2 of Israel's beaches and 1 tourist resort have closed, while parts of Highway 90 have vanished into earth. Now, what is causing all of this? In short, humans. This is a man-made catastrophe. Mineral extraction is a big industry in this region. Companies on both sides of the border are pumping an estimated 61.3 billion gallons of seawater every year. This water is then placed in pools so it can evaporate, and then these companies take valuable potash, bromine, and other substances.
So, see what I'm telling you guys? Right where I'm standing, there used to be water, but now, creating these pools, I don't know what this one is for, but there used to be water here.
To them, it's just business. But to us, it's an environmental catastrophe that kills the Dead Sea. Now listen, this world doesn't have another Dead Sea. There's only one, and it's vanishing. Israel and Jordan want to save the Dead Sea. They came up with a $1.5 billion project to transfer water from the Red Sea to the Dead Sea with the help of other countries. But so far, it's stuck, and the Dead Sea continues to shrink. These companies are not restricted enough or regulated. Enough is enough. We only have one Earth. Economy is not everything in life. Keeping the gifts that we have in this planet is way more important.
Where is the Dead Sea? Yes. And why the Dead Sea is called the Dead Sea?
이제 2개 있어.
Living creatures can't live in the Dead Sea.
Thank you.